Hi everyone, welcome to my Autodesk screencast. My name is Zan Ta and I work for Repro Products in Smyrna, Georgia. I'm an Autodesk certified instructor and hold many certifications in multiple Autodesk products for the AEC industry. I hope you enjoy my screencast. If you'd like to see more of my screencasts, please search for VAR 2015, that's VAR 2015, or my name. Please don't forget to give me a thumbs up after you watch it. In today's screencast, we'll be finishing up our series of screencasts on what's new in Revit 2016. This one is strictly for MEP features, and I already created a screencast earlier of the first for the MEP. There are just a couple more items that I'd like to show for Revit MEP 2016 enhancements that makes logical sense. For example, here I am in Revit 2016 in a Revit MEP model. If I head over to the Manage tab of the ribbon and go to Project Units, I can actually switch to a different discipline, for example, say piping. And now we can see under Flow, we can switch this to liters per second or liters per minute because these were not available prior. The second thing left in the What's New in Revit MEP 2016 that I'd like to see and show you is under the Manage tab of the ribbon, Settings panel, and we click under Electrical Settings. When we get here, we can go over to the general aspect of the software, and under Circuit Sequence, we now have the ability to pick odd then even if you need to change your circuiting sequences. And there is also a few others out there, but the ones that I found the most useful were those updates. And then lastly, if we go to the snaps under Manage tab of the ribbon, Settings panel, Snaps, we can see snaps adjust as views are zoomed. The largest value that represents less than 2 millimeter on screen is used. So in other words, the more accurate, the snapping becomes more accurate as you zoom closer and closer to the object versus further away. And then you also have snap to remote objects, which you can turn on and off. And that will help you when you're working with, say, 3D point cloud files. Sometimes you're trying to snap to a specific entity within that 3D point cloud file. And if this is checked, you may have some hiccups with that. So if you uncheck it, it'll give it a little bit more precise placement when you're snapping to 3D points within the 3D point cloud file. And that's it. Those are the updates in Revit MEP 2016. Thank you very much for watching my screencast, and please don't forget to give me a thumbs up.